Good morning everyone. Welcome to another episode of To The Point. Today's topic of discussion is Baiga Tribal Group. First of all, let's see why is it in the news. Ahead of assembly elections in Chhattisgarh, the Baiga particularly vulnerable tribal group recently became the second to get habitat rights in the state after the Kamar PVTG. Now let's discuss about the Baiga tribe. The Baiga tribe is one of the particularly vulnerable tribal groups. They mostly reside in central Indian states of Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Bihar, Odisha, etc. Traditionally, the Baiga lived a semi-nomadic life and practiced slash and burn cultivation. Currently, they are mainly dependent on minor forest produce for their livelihood. Now let's discuss what is PVTGs. According to the Ministry of Tribal Affairs, some basic characteristics of PVTGs are technological backwardness, stagnant or declining population growth, extremely low level of literacy, and a subsistence level of economy. The ministry has identified 75 PVTGs in 18 states and 1 union territory. Among the 75 listed PVTGs, the highest number are found in Odisha. Now let's understand what are habitat rights. Habitat rights recognition provides the community authority over their customary territory, socio-cultural practices, livelihoods, biodiversity knowledge, and other aspects. They are given under Section 3(1)(e) of the Scheduled Tribes and Other Traditional Forest Dwellers Recognition of Forest Rights Act 2006, also known as the Forest Rights Act, that is FRA. The rights includes community tenures of habitat and habitation for primitive tribal groups and pre-agricultural communities. In a given area, consent and consultation of the Gram Sabha is needed for any developmental activity. Out of 75 PVTG in India, only 3 have habitat rights. The Bharia PVTG in Madhya Pradesh was the first, followed by the Kamar tribe, and now the Baiga tribe in Chhattisgarh. Now it's time for the practice question. Consider the following statements regarding the particularly vulnerable tribal groups or PVTGs. 1. Among the 75 listed PVTGs, the highest number are found in Odisha. 2. In Chhattisgarh, there are more than 15 PVTGs including Kamar, Baiga, Pahadi, Korba, etc. 3. Out of total PVTG in India, only 3 have habitat rights, Bharia, Kamar and Baiga tribe. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? 1 only, 2 and 3 only, 1 and 3 only, or 1, 2 and 3? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Dear viewers, watch this topic in Hindi on our Drishti IAS Hindi YouTube channel.